So I'm going to try and add some patina to this sign that I've made using the ingredients: distilled vinegar, hydrogen peroxide and table salt. And that's the sign once I've wiped it all down. So I think I need it a little bit more rustier than that, so I'll repeat the process and leave it outside again, see what it does. So after leaving the sign out in the bucket with the ingredients for another couple of hours, that's the end result that I've now got. So all I've done differently this time around was to wash everything down with clean water, and then I didn't actually wipe away any of the rust that it had created with a rag. All I've done was just to dry it down with a hot air gun, and then that's the result of 3 coats of clear lacquer.